This week, we have a couple of weather systems working together to bring rain to most regions of the country. Firstly, a cold front sliding over the southern regions, bringing some light rain to the southern coastline. A surface trough and ridging high pressure system working together to bring stormy conditions to the central and eastern regions. And then later, a steep upper air trough, bringing isolated thunderstorms to parts of the western coast, spreading over the Karoo and yet again over the central regions of the country. We can see most of the rain falling here in this pink shade coming through over parts of the Northern Cape, northwest the Free State, as well as part of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, the Highveld and Gauteng, with up to 100 millimeters of rain likely to accumulate up until Friday evening, and this black spots coming through over parts of the Northern Cape, northwest and the Free State. Now this Tuesday, the Weather Service is warning against severe thunderstorms with hail, damaging winds and heavy rain over parts of northwest, the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Here's your Tuesday forecast. Overnight into Tuesday morning, the cold front sliding over the southern regions, bringing some light rain to the southern coastline. Foggy conditions expected over the western interior, as well as in KwaZulu-Natal and over the Highveld. Then overnight into Tuesday morning, stormy conditions already expected in parts of the Northern Cape, northwest and the Free State, as well as parts of the Bushveld. Into the afternoon, we are expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms over the central part of the country, stretching here over the eastern regions of the Northern Cape, most regions of northwest and the Free State, as well as Gauteng, parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms also likely along the eastern coast and the northern regions of the Eastern Cape, with morning light rain around the escarpment in Limpopo and Mpumalanga, light showers for the southern coastline due to that onshore flow of air behind the cold front, and then a quick drizzle over the western coast due to the foggy conditions. A very poor PV harvest expected over the southern regions of the country, as well as in parts of the Eastern Cape and the central regions. Otherwise, an average PV harvest over the eastern and western regions, where we are expecting partly cloudy skies. Southwesterly winds picking up and blowing fresh to strong behind this cold front along the eastern coast, later spreading along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Fresh to strong southerly winds expected along the western coast and blowing strong here over the southern coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia. In the Western Cape, cloudy at first with foggy conditions over the western coast, later windy conditions picking up along the western coast, temperatures only in the lower 20s for the city of Cape Town, with light showers expected in parts of the Winelands, the Overberg, the Little Karoo, as well as the Garden Route. Temperatures only in the lower 20s with 21 in Mossel Bay, George, only 19 in the afternoon in Plettenberg Bay. Temperatures in the lower to mid 20s expected in the Karoo, with scattered thunderstorms possible into the afternoon. Only isolated light showers possible over the coastal regions of the Eastern Cape, with southwesterly winds later blowing fresh to strong, and then scattered and severe thunderstorms possible over the northern regions, where we have that yellow level 1 warning in place for severe thunderstorms. A hot afternoon in KwaZulu-Natal with temperatures in the upper 20s over the interior, reaching around the mid-30s in Richards Bay. Some severe thunderstorms possible into the evening around Richards Bay. In this region, we have a yellow level 2 warning in place for severe thunderstorms, with southwesterly winds picking up into the evening along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. Foggy at first around the escarpment in Mpumalanga, later temperatures reaching the mid-20s over the Highveld, with scattered thunderstorms possible mainly over the western regions of the Highveld, becoming hot in the lowveld of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, temperatures reaching the lower to mid-30s with 35 the afternoon in Skukuza, 34 in Palabodwa. Foggy conditions at first over parts of Limpopo, with light showers possible around the eastern escarpment. Early morning thunderstorms possible in the Bushveld, and then into the afternoon only isolated thunderstorms still possible. In northwest, foggy at first over parts of the province, later temperatures only in the mid-20s, but scattered and severe thunderstorms possible. The Weather Service issued a yellow level 2 warning for northwest. In the Northern Cape, a cold morning at first over the southern regions, only 8 in Sutherland. Foggy conditions expected over the western interior, with strong southerly winds blowing along the western coast, then isolated to scattered thunderstorms later possible over the central and eastern regions, especially around Kimberley, Postmasburg and Prieska. In the Free State, foggy conditions at first, later it will be quite cool with temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius. Scattered showers and thunderstorms likely, with the Weather Service warning against severe thunderstorms leading to hail, damaging winds and heavy rain. Foggy at first over parts of Gauteng, later temperatures in the mid-20s with scattered showers and thunderstorms early in the morning and then yet again into the afternoon possible. On Wednesday, foggy conditions along the western and southern coastline as well as in parts of the Karoo. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are likely over the eastern and northeastern regions of the country. with that bridging high pressure system bringing much cooler conditions to the northeastern regions, only 22 the afternoon in Johannesburg. On Thursday, we are expecting warmer conditions over the western part of the country, Vredendal reaching a high of 35, a steep upper air trough nearing the country, bringing isolated thunderstorms to the western coast part of the Karoo, becoming scattered to widespread over the central and northeastern regions of the country, remaining quite cool in the east with temperatures only around 20 degrees Celsius, 20 the afternoon in Johannesburg and Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Stay safe this Tuesday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.